Hello everyone, welcome to Career Launcher IAS. My name is Aparna Aman and I am a faculty of Science and Technology in Career Launcher IAS Academy. So, I am here up today with a very interesting topic which is also might going to be important for your upcoming prelims examination. That is different generations of technology. So the first question is why this topic? If you come across the newspaper of the last week, you might had come across a news that Reliance Industry is going to introduce 5G in India. So before knowing 5G, let me give you a deep insight into the different generations of technology. In this video, I am going to tell you about the meaning of generation, that is what exactly the word generation means. After that, I am going to tell you about the G, different generations which were in use from G to 2G, 3G, 4G, and then we come up with the 5G, the recent initiatives and its applications. And at the last, I am going to tell you about what is the difference between 4G and 5G technology. So let's start with the word generation. Generation in computer terminology is a change in technology. A computer is or was being used means जो टेक्नोलॉजी पहले थी या जो होने वाली है, इन सभी के लिए एक कॉमन टर्मिनोलॉजी जनरेशन यूज किया गया. If you going through a family, you might come across the different generations the family had. Means if you are taking yourself as example, you have different generations in your family, like you have your father, you have your grandparents, you have your great grandparents. In the similar way, in the field of the technology, there were also several generations. So here simply G stands for the generation term. While you connected to the internet, the speed of your internet depends upon the signal strength that has been shown in alphabet like 2G, 3G, 4G, etc. That is right next to the signal bar on your home screen. Like these days, when you are connected with the internet, the signal bar is showing 4G speed. So each generation is defined in the field of technology as a set of telephone network standards which detail the technological implementation of a particular mobile phone system. The speed increases and the technology used to achieve that speed also changes. So the G stands for generation. Now let's start with the evolution from the first generation to the fifth generation. So the G or the first G, 1G, was launched in 1980 and worked on analog radio signals and supported only voice calls. After that, 2G was launched in 1990, which uses digital radio signal and supported both voice and data transmission with a bandwidth of 64 kbps. After that, 3G was launched in 2000 with a speed of 1 Mbps to 2 Mbps, and it has the ability to transport telephone signals including digitized voice, video calls and conferencing as well. After that, the 4G was launched in 2009 with a peak speed of 100 Mbps to 1 Gbps, and it also enables the 3D virtual reality. 4G is very similar to all of us because these days we are using that only. Now the diagram which is or the paper cutting which is showing on your screen now is directly from the Hindu newspaper, where the news about the launching of 5G in India were published. So experts is telling that it is going to be a big giga leap in the field of technology with the introduction of 5G. Means in the 5G, the speed is 90 times faster than the 4G. And here the latency means the delay is less than 1 milli per second. Means अब आपको बफरिंग होता हुआ सिंबल जो है आपके फोन पे स्क्रीन पे नहीं दिखेगा. So from where it is started in 1991 to 2002, if you have to download a video in 1991 of 5 GB, it's take you about a month of time. After introduction of 3G, over a day, then with 4G, it takes 7 minutes, but with the coming up of the 5G technology, it takes only 40 seconds of time. So you yourself analyze that with the help of the 5G, it is going to be a revolution in the field of the technology. So let me introduce you all with the 5G. So the question is, what is 5G? It is simply a next generation cellular technology that will provide faster and more reliable communication with ultra low latency, that is delay. A government panel reports point out that the 5G have the peak speed to be of range of 2 to 20 gigabyte per second, that is 20 Gbps. Where in the 4G, the link speed were only 6 to 7 megabyte per second, Mbps only. Now, a question in your mind, why we need a more advanced generation technology? Why there is a need of a high speed internet? So with the high speed, superior reliability and negligible latency, that is, I already told you about that, the latency is less than 1 milli per second in the 5G. It will expand the mobile ecosystem into a new realms. You are going to experience a new world of technology. 5G will impact every industry. 5G make transportation safer. It will help in remote healthcare services. It will increase the precision in agriculture fields. It will digitize the logistics and much more. It will introduce you all to a new reality world where the virtual reality is going to be the next generation reality. So the applications of the 5G were of a wider range, which starts from a high speed mobile network to the entertainment and multimedia world. It also helps in the Internet of Things, in the smart cities projects, in the smart farming, in the field of telemedicine services, in controlling of critical infrastructure and vehicles, and it is also going to help in the industrial applications. Means you yourself may analyze the fact that with the introduction of the 5G, you are going to have a more precise, a more virtual real world in front of you, and you have a much more access to those things which you are not able to access with the help of the 4G technology. So at the last, then what is the difference between the 4G and 5G technology? Why there is a need? So let me tell you some differences about the 4G and 5G. So first start with the latency or the delay. So in 4G there were 10 millisecond latency time, but in 5G it is less than 1 millisecond, means negligible time. The second is the peak data rates in the 4G were 1 gigabytes per second, but in the 5G it is going to be 20 gigabytes per second, just 20 times more. Next is the available spectrum of 4G is only 3 gigahertz, But for the 5G, the available spectrum will be of 30 gigahertz. The connectivity density with the 4G were only 100,000 connections per kilometer. But with the 5G, the connection density will going up to 1 million connections per kilometer. Means much more greater people or the population going to connect directly with each other with coming of the 5G technology. So that's all for today about technology. We'll meet you in next video with another important topic of science and technology. Thank you.